Back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Thursday, July 31st. XRP's at 299. Guys, the markets are red. Things have been going down. Wow. It's the end of the month. It is the end of the month. July has been a good month for us. Definitely wasn't as great as a month as we thought. But taking a look at the daily, my goodness, guys, we got slammed down over and over. We're about 9 days going down. But as you can see, we just started this new day and we've already dropped down to 293. So definitely be careful out there. We could be seeing a next major bounce coming in around 270. This line right here, this green golden pocket actually. So pay close attention to the 270 range. Although we don't necessarily need to fall down there. We do want to see, if we do take a short fib here from bottom to top for the immediate short term, you can see we're getting the bounce off of 296. And again, the golden pocket, the 1618, is at 273. So can we see a move down to 273? Potentially, if we take another fib from bottom to top. What you'll notice, again, we've got the $2.99, $3 range has been strong support. The next move down from here, the 278 range. So guys, anywhere from that 273 to 278 is totally in play. Potentially, not saying we have to go down there, but just to give everyone a heads up. Taking a look at the weekly, it has been a very strong red week this week. We just today made a lower wick than the previous week. Usually that's not a great sign, but I do think we will pull up on the weekly. We definitely want to hold the $3 mark on the weekly time frame, as right now we're at 297. And on the daily, guys, this new daily that we're in, hopefully we can end up pushing up, flipping this candle green, and closing above the $3 range. Let's take a look at the monthly, though. The monthly candle close. Wow, look at the wick. Guys, if we zoom in, what you'll notice, the month of July actually closed lower than previous months. So it was not our highest monthly candle close, which I was really, really hoping we would close above 303, 304 on the monthly. We did not end up doing that. So we ended up closing at 302. But you know what, guys? That's okay. I still firmly believe that August is going to be absolutely massive. Look at this wick to the upside. We shot up all the way to 365, 364. So, honestly, in my opinion, that wick is going to get filled. We've already started red for the month, and we're only a couple hours in. I love to see a bottom wick forming first when it comes to weekly and monthly candles. So with this bottom wick, by the time we flip past 302, we're going to have a nice 11-cent bottom wick. Although we could go lower, I would very much expect this candle to 100% flip. It might not be a bad idea to put in a limit long at 303, 304, as I think once we flip, we will continue going up. Not financial advice, but guys, it was a little disappointing to see we didn't close a higher monthly candle, although we did go the highest we've ever been. We'll just have to see what August holds. Hopefully we don't get something like this, because man, you see what happened with this monthly candle. We closed at 303, and then the very next month, we ended up closing at 215, but we went all the way down to $1.80. So definitely be careful. You can see this support line that we have, this macro support on the monthly. So I don't think we would go down to 180. For this month, the absolute lowest on the support would be 220. Ultimately, guys, I don't even think we're going to go down there. We could hit the 271 range, 273, somewhere around this pocket for a bottom wick, and then push up. But really, once we get up past 340, guys, we're going to be headed straight to 450 and then $5-6. So I'm really hoping that this month is shaping up to be a massive green candle, kind of like this month was. But we will have to see what plays out. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If we take a look at the hourly, just to kind of look at shorter time frames here. RSI is extremely oversold. We are due for a bounce. Closing below this range here, though, is not looking too good. I guarantee we're going to come right back up to 302 to at least try to test it to get back above it. But if we continue to close hourlies below, we could be going down. Like I said, guys, 273 to 280 range. That's totally in the cards. We're still maintaining bullish structure. Guys, we're gonna laugh at this in the next couple years when XRP is nowhere even near these prices. I mean, this is an opportunity to buy more if you can. Great opportunity to continue to stack. But yeah, let's just see what happens here. Let's take it over to X real quick. So 2 days away. Well, now it's tomorrow. This is a little bit old of a post, but the golden age, August 1st, a great day for America was what Trump tweeted. The White House reposted this. So could August 1st, tomorrow, be something massive for the markets? Tomorrow's Friday. Traditional markets close tomorrow. We have to see what happens this weekend. Could be a very volatile weekend. I would expect the price to pull up on the weekly. If this weekly goes straight down to 270 and we end up, having that large of a weekly red candle, that I'm really hoping that we can pull up, guys, on this weekly by Sunday at 8 o'clock, that we can pull up above 304. That would be our better case scenario. SEC announces full 100% support of cryptocurrency, and the coin that benefits the most from it is going down. How does that make any sense, right? XRP 296. SEC makes a big announcement, and the price absolutely falls and waterfalls down. I mean, guys, this is what happens. Jeez. Hedge funds are doing their typical retail panic bait because they know the rest of 2025 is going to be a giga bull run, massive pump. And I do agree with Cobb here. I do think he's right on that. They're trying to shake you out. They're trying to shake you out. We're honored that Ando was featured at in the White House report by the President's Working Group on Digital Asset Markets. Ando, definitely a great option to hold in your bag, especially being diversified. And then I was wrong about a $5 to $8 XRP in July. Guys, there were so many people calling for a $5 XRP in July, and I'm sorry if one of those was me. I don't think I did call for that, to be honest with you. I don't think I was calling for that at all. I think I was saying that it would be sweet, but I would say I'm calling for a $5 plus for August for sure. One thing great is that we should be getting the highest close in the monthly candle. Guys, this actually did not even happen. This was 23 hours ago from XR Punky, Sean Mark. He still believes $8 to $15 is in play and expecting a massive candle in August. Let's take a look at this here. So the 1, 2, 3. We got the 1, 2, 3 up to maybe $7. We got the 1, 2, and then 3 up to $14. Got a couple different waves playing out potentially on the monthly. Ultimately, guys, yeah, we did not. This was an hour or a day ago. Sorry, when we were at 312. we actually pulled down. So we didn't end up getting what he was thinking, but it's okay. We're still going to hold our high hopes for August. But that's it for today, guys. Don't get down. Don't let them shake you out. All right. You know, these pullbacks happen all the time. All the markets are down right now. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance for a second. Bitcoin dominance almost at 62%. Looks like 62% I marked. We do have some resistance there. So yeah, with the Bitcoin dominance chart, if we go to the monthly here, we had a heck of a red July month for dominance. As you know, which points to XRP moving up and lots of altcoins moving up. But we did land right on support here. We came down, we pulled up, held the support. We go to the weekly. I mean, I guess we did close below it. You can see some of these times we closed below it, but we kept right up with it. So ultimately, this probably will be a green week for dominance. But I'm really hoping it gets rejected on this line and then continues down. That would be the best case for us as XRP holders. But we'll have to see, guys. I mean, you can see we're getting rejected from it right now. We just peaked up to it at 61.8, and we're getting rejected from it right now. I mean, this candle right here, this hourly, that's more of a bearish reversal candle. But we'll have to see what happens. But stay strong, hold tight, buy more if you can. Don't let them shake you out, because before you know it, we're going to be right back up into the high $3 range. Appreciate every single one of you tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your